Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they're not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
So this is the first time that I met Fuffy, and I'm here first. Like, this is legit the first time that I've been here first. Like, I'm waiting on her for the first time. This is so lit. Like, I'm so happy that I'm documenting this, because she's gonna be like, oh, I'm always here waiting for you, da, 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 da. I'm here waiting for you first, bitch. Okay, and I left after you, and I still managed to get here before you. Proud to the people. 1 o'clock and you're not here. Where you at? And I'm hungry. The fuck you at? Where you at? 13 minutes later, 4 trains, still no Fuffy. Only in Toronto. Like, seriously? Oh my god. I don't understand why people care dogs like that. Like, it's a freaking dog. Ugh. This Murasoka is on this train. Oh. Tiffany. Hey! She's still not on this train. Like, hey! I am going to kill her. Oh, hey! Tiffany. Hey! The time is now 7:24. Oh, where are you now? Hey! Hey! Oh my god. Is she lost? Is she freaking lost? Hey! No, sir. This is crazy. Oh, should I write it up, because it shouldn't take this long. It should not take this long. My motherfucking ass home. Like, this bitch is playing with me. Tiffany is playing with me. Either that or I came off at the wrong motherfucking stop. But this is ridiculous now. It's 7:45, you guys.
One eternity later.
Do you see the time?
Nigga, please, I'm always waiting on you.
For a whole hour and 11 minutes? I was here since 7 o'clock. I swear to God. I was here since 7 o'clock.
2 hours. Lies.
I swear to God, I was here at 7 o'clock.
So you told me you were on the train.
My blood
like
clot. Yeah, well, I was already on the train. Whereas people should finally reach. I'm here thinking, like, did something happen? Like,
no, but
Bon and Grow. But she lived in her. Got another HelloFresh box. I thought I'd share and show you guys what I got this time. So these are my 3 meals this time. I totally forgot about this week. Like, I totally forgot about this week, because, like, if I don't like the food stuff, like, I skip the week or whatever. And I forgot to skip this week. So they sent me an email like, oh yeah, your order's coming on Monday. I was just like, what? Like, and then by the time I went to look back, I couldn't change my meals because they were already selected. So I got stuck with what I got stuck with. But I got the glazed pork tenderloin. This is what it looks like. It's with noodles. And then I got the herb butter steak with sweet potato fries and DIY ranch sauce is what I'm making for lunch right now. And then this last one, I think I'm gonna give it away because This is yogurt and dukkha. I think it's dukkha or dukkha crusted chicken with roasted vegetable bulgur wheat. This looks a lot like couscous, and I'm not into that, but I guess that's the veggie bulgur wheat. But I think I'm gonna give this to my sister and have her prepare it for her and her husband, because yeah, I'm not into this. So yeah, I'm gonna make this right now, and yeah. Okay, I got my steak. Okay, so it says wash and dry all produce on a baking sheet. Toss the sweet potatoes. What am I gonna need? Baking sheets I don't have. Foil paper will have to do. Garlic, measuring spoon, large non-stick pan, paper towel, whisk, small bowl, sugar, butter. I'll be right back.
Service ambassador speaking to you from accessibility coach 2528.
You guys, I am on the GO train. Like, this is so cool. I've never been on the GO train before. I've only been on the GO bus, but I'm going to see Bae.
Yes. This is the 743 Lakeshore East train making all station stops to Oshawa. Oshawa will be the final station stop. There are bus connections provided at Oshawa GO for Oshawa Center, Oshawa, Curtis, Bowmanville, and Newcastle. And for passengers exiting the Gilbert station, the following coaches will not be opening due to construction: 313, 2843, 2249, 2446, 2600, 2408, and 2833. If you're in one of those coaches and you'd like to exit the Gilbert station, which is 4 station stops away, please walk in the same direction the train is traveling through the coaches to at least coach 2528 or beyond. On behalf of GO Transit and the operating crew, thanks for riding with us today. Our first stop will be Danforth Station.
So as I was saying, I'm on the GO train. I'm going to see Bae. Yeah, Bae lives kind of far, so yeah, they're having a barbecue, so I'm going over there to go eat some food and sleep over. So yeah, journey with me, you guys. This is so cool. I've never been on the GO train before. I've taken the GO bus, but I've never taken the GO train before. And the GO train, I want to say it's I don't know if it's underground or if it's above ground or whatever, but it's not really our underground, like Toronto's underground travel thing. So yeah, but it was a struggle because I was like lost and confused, but I made it. So yeah, I'm on the train. So I'm gonna try to get some scenery shots, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning.